Geri Horner has enjoyed huge worldwide fame after the singer joined the Spice Girls in 1994. After announcing her decision to leave the band in 1998, the singer's future was uncertain. However, Geri went solo and later met Christian Horner in 2014. Singer Geri, 49, and her Formula One beau Christian, 48, wed in 2015 after getting engaged in 2014. Geri, who is mum to Bluebell and Montague, has gone on to become the richest Spice Girl despite her humble beginnings growing up in a council estate. The Spice Girl and husband Christian have reportedly amassed a reported £440 million combined fortune. And Geri and husband Christian's palatial homes are a clear sign of the couple's wealth. Geri, Christian, Bluebell, 16, 5-year-old Montague and Christian's daughter Olivia, 8, from a previous relationship split their time between their two family homes in Oxfordshire and Hertfordshire. The Oxfordshire home in Marston St Lawrence, near Banbury is lavishly kitted out with a swimming pool, boating lake, sprawling fields, a space to keep farm animals. The former singer and her Red Bull racing boss hubby has donkeys, goats and chickens. Geri previously shared a video of herself cuddling one of the family's chickens. In the clip posted to her Instagram, she said, "It's a cuddly chicken. Oh my god. Who thought chickens could be cuddly?" While Geri enjoys spending time with her animals, she is also a fan of cooking up a storm in the kitchen, too. The former Spice Girls' culinary passion has led her to share snaps from inside her lavish kitchen on her Instagram page. One photo shows the impressive Aga cooker with a black top and cream doors. Meanwhile, a large painting of a vase and flowers is hung in the splashback area. Meanwhile, the rest of the kitchen matches the Aga cooker with cream cupboard doors and a black marble worktop. Another snap shows Geri posing on the spacious island to show off her beach crumble. Like the rest of the worktops in the kitchen, the island boasts black marble, too. The vast kitchen can be seen in another photo, this time of Christian cuddling their adorable son. The rustic space is finished off with a gorgeous stone floor. Neutral tones and rustic features appear to be a common theme throughout the stunning property, as the dining room is complete with a wooden table, grey plush chairs, a light grey rug and light grey sofas. Meanwhile, the huge windows are framed with burnt orange drapes to offer a pop of color. The room is used for a number of activities, as in a video, Geri is seen showing off her sewing machine skills while sat at a desk in front of two huge windows. Another dining room, however, is a stark contrast, as it boasts sage green walls, a wooden side table and dinging chairs. A vintage gramophone can be seen placed on the large sideboard, while hanging above is a painting of the Last Supper. The second dining room is clearly a happy space for the family, as Geri and her son are seen smiling together in one image of the room. Revamping their Oxfordshire home was something Christian very much enjoyed, as he told Luxury London in 2019, "Restoring the farm has been my hobby, the way I put racing out of my mind. The main house is finished, but now the barns are being converted. We're currently putting the finishing touches to an indoor swimming pool." The Oxfordshire estate has plenty of space for fruit picking in their gardens, too, as Geri posted a snap of herself picking raspberries with Montague, who is enjoying eating them in the image. After a busy day of fruit picking and cooking with the family, Geri and Christian can relax in their bedroom, which boasts a large bed with white sheets and a grey throw and pillows. The black, green, pink and yellow abstract wallpaper is the most eye-catching feature in the room, while the bedside tables have round lamps resting on them. While Geri enjoys sharing many photos from their Oxfordshire home, the family are much more private about their Hertfordshire property.